The guy next to me got his bird on his knee. My hands are empty. I do believe I would die if some girl unzipped my flies and said, "Stud, come with me." At last I have to console with an inflatable doll. That's all that's left for me. Some guys get older. Some guys play all the games. Some guys have a little notice in their life. My life is just a bleeding shame. Someone to take for some sex by the lake. Dear Lord, let it be. Just to give her the works with some quick physical jerks would be sheer ecstasy. I would consider it grand not to take knob in hand, but have it done for me. A girl who never would moan, but who is likely to groan at my blue movies. Some guys get older. Some guys play all the games. Some guys have a little notice in their life. My life is just a bleeding shame. Some guys get older. Some guys play all the games. Some guys have a little notice in their life. My life is just a bleeding shame. But what's this I see? A young girl smiling at me and giving me the eye. She wants us to join. Oh God, the pain in my loins. What has she done to me? She swooned. I feel that the touch of my hand was too much. She's really hot for me. And it gave her a thrill when she saw my old